Welcome to Lucia Simple Chinese. Today, let's learn about the colors in Chinese. I will also tell you the meanings of those colors in Chinese and a funny second meaning of those colors. Let's get started. 我们开始吧。The most important color in Chinese culture is red. Red, 红色，红色。Second tone, 红色。Red has many great meanings, such as auspicious, prosperity, and lucky. There is a common idiom, 红红火火, red red, fire fire. That means prosperity. I wish you big success in your business. I, 我 wish 希望 your business 你的生意 We can use 红红火火 to say the big success. 我希望你的生意红红火火。我希望你的生意红红火火。The next color is yellow. Yellow is 黄色，黄色。Second tone, 黄色。Yellow means honorable in the ancient China. For example, only emperor can use the yellow color on their clothes. But nowadays, yellow has many different meanings. For example, yellow magazine, 黄色杂志. What does this mean? Can you guess? 黄色 means sexual content, pornography nowadays. Yellow website is 黄色网站. That's sexual related website. We also have another meaning for yellow. 这家公司黄了. This company is yellow. What does this mean? This company is yellow. This company is failed, bankrupt. It can also say a plan is ruined. 这个计划黄了. This plan is ruined. The next color we are going to talk about is green. 绿色，绿色. Both of them are fourth tone. 绿色. 绿色 means life, means hope. But at the same time, 绿色 has a different meaning. 他被绿了. He was greened. What does this mean? Green here means be betrayed by, be cheated on by their partner. Currently, we also have this word 绿帽子. 800 years ago, in the Yuan dynasty, when a man's wife or their concubine has been in the prostitute industry, that this man will need to wear a green scarf on their head. Now, we also have this one, green hat, 绿帽子. He was put on a green hat. 他被戴绿帽子了. That means he was betrayed by his partner. Next color is blue. Blue is 蓝色，蓝色。Second tone, 蓝色。蓝色 is the color of sky and the ocean, which is big, vast. In the business context, we have this word, 蓝海. 蓝海 means blue sea. Blue sea, you can imagine, is very big, have a lot of opportunities. That also means a business field that has a lot of opportunities, is a new field, has huge potential, and less competition. The next color is pink. Pink is 粉色，粉色。The third tone, 粉色，粉色。Pink, 粉，粉 sounds like the word fan, fan. So we use the word 粉丝 to call fans. So fans in Chinese is 粉丝，粉丝。I'm your fans. 我是你的粉丝。I'm your fans. 我是你的粉丝。The next color is purple. Purple is 紫色，紫色. Well, 紫色 is a noble color in China. There's a word 大红大紫, big red, big purple. That means someone is very popular in a positive way. The next color is 白色，白色，白色. Second tone, 白色。白色 used to be an unlucky color in the Chinese culture. When someone passes away, their relative will wear white. But nowadays, white can also refer to pure, clean, innocent. In my generation, people don't think it's unlucky, and people wear it to their weddings. 白色. Well, 白色 looks like no color, means empty. So it has a second meaning. Let's see this one. 白手起家. 白, white, 手, hand, 起家, start a business. White hand, start business. It's like empty hand, start business. So it is start business from scratch. My boss started his business from scratch in his garage. My boss, 我的老板，我的老板。In the garage, 在车库里，在车库里。Start business from scratch, 白手起家。我的老板在他的车库里白手起家。白做了，白做了。白 is empathy. 白做了 waste of effort. I do it for nothing. 你已经吃了午饭呐？我白做了。Oh, you already had lunch. I made this meal for nothing. The next color we're going to talk about is 黑色。黑色，黑色。First one, 黑色。黑色 used to be not a very lucky color in China, just like 白色 white. But at the same time, 黑色 black is very fashionable. People from China, people from all over the world wear the black color a lot. 我被晒黑了. I bask in the sun and get tanned. Here, 黑 means tan. Tan. 晒黑了 tanned. Another word, 黑心商人. 黑心商人. A businessman with black heart. What does this mean? Black heart. 黑 can also mean evil, underground, and dark. Another word is black market. 黑市, 黑市. Please also check out my video, Chinese idiom for cat, dog, chicken, and the free tools to learn Chinese. I will see you soon.